You were in Ukraine not long ago meeting with President Zelensky and others about war crimes, and I wonder what is the role of the United States in investigating these war crimes?
So it's actually, Justice Department has a long history, and one of the portraits in my conference room where we just were is a portrait of Robert Jackson, who was Attorney General, but also the chief prosecutor at Nuremberg. Part of our obligation to protect the rule of law is to work internationally with our partners. And our job with respect to Ukraine is to help people who are on the ground, the prosecutors who are every day risking their lives, to collect the evidence of torture of their civilians, of attacks on their hospitals, of bombings of their theaters, of stealing of their children, to help make a record of that, to help hold those people accountable and to help prevent those things from ever happening again.
Is it clear that Vladimir Putin is a war criminal?
Look, I'm not a judge now, so I don't have to make that judgment, but whoever it is who directed those behaviors is certainly a war criminal.
And there's ample evidence of that.
There's ample evidence of war crimes. One of the things the media has done is shown them in real time about what's happening in the United States, in Ukraine. About the bombings, about the consequences, about the kinds of places like Bucha or Mariupol, where ordinary civilians died and were tortured, were raped, children stolen. There's no doubt about there having been war crimes in Ukraine.